here's just an overview of the motor stuff that I've done. I do love my new lights. That's probably my newest modification. I can't wait to get the engine bay painted, but it's got a lot of scratches, and the worst part is it's got some accident damage over here. So someday for that. So on the motor, I do have this fake Mugen valve cover, which I'm excited to get rid of or fix. I'd like to sand off the top and redo that, but it's just temporary for right now. Got this 1320 Toda replicated B-series header. Passport motor mounts. Speed Factory valve cover hardware, titanium, as well as I love this custom R-Fab engineering. And then these are titanium as well. And then I've got the Skunk 2 radiator. It works great. Vibrant catch can. And this one goes to the fuel tank breather line. This one goes to the rear of the block. Got the two block valves open. This goes to the valve cover, and then just a breather. I did try and have this one go up to the intake manifold, but for some reason the end of the rear block whistles through the lines, and it whistles pretty loud too, so I removed that. So it's just venting to atmosphere now. Got a Type R intake manifold, Skunk 2 fuel rail, AEM fuel pressure regulator, hybrid racing fuel gauge right there. I got some of these through JB Tuned. I just got the fuel line set up, the tuck fuel line set up, and I ended up using a few of the parts, but not most of them. You can see down there some of the parts that I did use. Maybe you can't see. Just a little too dark. Oh, there we go. There we go. And AN fittings. Someday I'd like to get a new or redo that alternator bracket. And someday I'll get this side of the motor done with a new timing belt and new Skunk 2 timing gears. And this is a K-tuned tuck wire for, or tuck line for the clutch. There we go. About all the things that you can see from the top.